Have you ever heard that metal frame glass coffee tables are the ultimate blend of sophistication and functionality? If you've ever stepped into a modern home, chances are you've seen one of these stunning pieces taking center stage in the living room. They exude elegance, complement contemporary design, and bring a sense of openness to any space. The combination of glass and metal creates a sleek, refined aesthetic that seamlessly integrates with various interior styles, making it a go-to choice for homeowners who appreciate both form and function. One of the most striking features of metal frame glass coffee tables is the ability to create an open and airy feel. Unlike bulky wooden tables that can dominate a room, a glass tabletop allows light to pass through, giving the illusion of more space. This is particularly beneficial in smaller apartments or homes where every inch counts. The transparency of the glass helps maintain a clutter-free aesthetic, making the entire living area feel more open and inviting. The light reflecting properties of glass further enhance the overall brightness of a room, making it feel more expansive than it actually is. The versatility of these tables is another reason they have become a staple in modern homes. They come in a wide range of designs, from minimalist geometric frames to more intricate metalwork that adds a touch of elegance. Some have thin belly-there frames that let the glass take center stage, while others feature bold industrial-style metal bases that add character and visual interest. Whether you prefer a simple and understated look or something more striking and sculptural, there's a metal frame glass coffee table that can fit your aesthetic. Durability is another key factor that makes these tables so appealing. Metal frames provide a steady foundation that can withstand daily use, making them a long-lasting investment. Steel and iron are common choices for the frame, offering strength and stability while resisting wear and tear over time. Aluminium is another great option, especially for those looking for something lightweight yet durable. These metals are often treated with protective coatings that prevent rust and corrosion, ensuring that the table remains in excellent condition for years. Tempered glass is one of the defining characteristics that set high-quality metal frame glass coffee tables apart. Regular glass is prone to cracking and shattering under pressure, but tempered glass is especially treated to increase its strength. It is designed to break into small, less dangerous fragments rather than sharp shards, making it a much safer option for household with kids or pets. The added resilience of tempered glass also means that it can handle everyday use, whether it is supporting a heavy decorative item or enduring accidental knocks and bumps. Another advantage of these tables is their low maintenance nature. Unlike wooden tables that require regular polishing or stone surfaces that are prone to staining, glass is incredibly easy to clean. A simple wipe with a glass cleaner or a damp microfiber cloth is all it takes to keep the surface looking spotless. The metal frame also requires minimal upkeep. Most are powder coated or treated to resist rust and corrosion, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. For those who like stylish furniture but dislike the hassle of constant maintenance, these tables are an ideal choice. One of my favorite aspects of these tables is how they pair well with other furniture pieces. They complement a variety of seating arrangements, whether it's a plush sectional, a set of mid-century modern chairs, or a leather sofa. Because the glass top doesn't introduce additional color or texture, It allows other design elements in the room to shine. You can even switch up your decor seasonally without worrying about clashing with the table. Whether it's a warm, earthly aesthetics in the fall or a bright, airy look in the summer, a metal frame glass coffee table provides the perfect neutral base. Customization options also make these tables incredibly appealing. Some designs feature additional shelves beneath the glass surface, providing extra storage space for magazines, remote and decorative items. Others incorporate mixed materials such as wooden accents or marble elements to create a more distinctive look. Some models even have interchangeable tabletops, allowing homeowners to switch between clear, frosted, or tinted glass depending on their preference. This level of personalization makes it easy to find a table that suits your individual style and functional needs. Beyond aesthetics, there is a certain elegance in the way these tables interact with light. Natural daylight streaming through a window creates beautiful reflections on the glass surface, while soft lighting in the evening can enhance the metal frame's sleek lines. Some homeowners even take it a step further by incorporating LED strip lighting beneath the table, adding a subtle glow that enhances the overall ambience of the room. The way light plays off the glass and metal creates a dynamic visual effect that makes these tables stand out as a centerpiece in any space. One of the biggest reasons metal frame glass coffee tables have gained so much popularity is the ability to bridge the gap between modern and timeless design. While some furniture trends come and go, the combination of metal and glass has remained a favorite among interior designers and homeowners alike. They are modern enough to fit into cutting-edge spaces, yet classic enough to remain stylish as trends evolve. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.